Launch Inventory Ahead today and you will see the option to connect your selling channels quickly. By default, we open up to Dashboard. To start, navigate to Administration section, located on the left sidebar of your screen, and choose the Selling Channels category. Select the specific channel you would like to connect and hit the Connect button. From this point, you have to follow 5 simple steps. First, choose your unique store name and the desirable currency. Visit the link displayed on the second step and log in with your Walmart credentials. Click the settings icon and select Consumer IDs and Private Keys. If you have generated a private key before, use it. If not, get a new one using Regenerate Key. Copy and paste the consumer ID, the private key, and the consumer channel type into your Inventory Ahead screen. Whenever you're ready, hit the Connect button and let your account download and sync your inventory. Simple as that!